Hey guys, Chris from Throdle. Right behind me, we have the long anticipated brand new Nissan Z. This is not a Nissan 400Z, it's just a Nissan Z. This is a twin turbo V6, 400 horsepower. Before it was known as a Nissan Throdle because nobody knew what to call it, but this is the actual production model of the brand new Nissan Z. So let's do a quick walk around with this. First of all, I want to point out it's this Nissan grille. There was a lot of controversy about if the grille is going to be a flat piece of plastic. But as you can see, there is definitely definition. That's where all the sensors and everything's being carried out. This particular Model Z right here, this is the launch edition. So this color is only available when it first launches. And like I said, as you see this car right now, this is how you buy it. So I'm not sure I would actually do any mods to this in particular. But as you walk around to that back end, you see the inspired from the 300ZX. And guess what, guys? This actually has a usable trunk. There is no cross member like the 350s have. It doesn't have that weird hump like the 370 have. This is actually sporting the same exact engine that comes off the Q60, twin turbos. Imagine the modding by itself.